And then assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one React simple chatbot project in React JS, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous projects of React JS. So let's start. Now here you can see I've just built this React simple chatbot project in React JS. So first of all, you can see we have just made the front end page. We have not made any of the full website here. So first of all, you can see we are getting the beautiful background color. Then we are also getting our heading, which is called React simple chatbot, then the paragraph, and we are also getting the share and tweet buttons. Underneath we are also getting 4 buttons of star 1284 fork 440, then documentation button, which is having a beautiful hover effect of white color. You can see when I'm just hovering on that. Then here we are getting our chatbot. So if you just press this got it, which is just written, press that, so it will be just telling you all the things and it will be just giving you the answer by itself. And you can also hear the sound, but I have just muted my desktop sound, because of that you can't hear, but you will be hear the sound if you just press this got it, which I have just pressed. So if I go to my Visual Studio Code and I will be just showing you how to build. So first of all, you have to go to terminal. Then here you have to make your React app or folder which you have to work with. So I will be writing localxd, because in localxd now I will be just making. So my folder name, first of all, I will be, for creating that, I will be writing npx. So like I've telling you in previous project also, like npx is a command for creating your React app or folder, and npm is a command to run your React app or folder in your localhost in your default browser or any of the browser you are working with. After that, I will be writing npx create, and then here you have to also write the dash. Like previously I've telling you, this dash is really important to write, because from that you will be just creating your React app. If you don't write and just you simply write React by space giving, you will be writing like create React app, so it will be not work for you. You have to write this dash here. Then after that, when you've written these all things, just you have to write your project name which we are making. So like we are making one chatbot, so I'll be writing like simple. So just you have to erase this dot, means this dash. Then I'll be writing simple chatbot. So just write that and press enter. So it will be just taking some of the few minutes of you, and it will be just created your React app folder which you are working with. And here when you define that all things, just you have to do one thing, like you can also set up your Firebase if you want to, but I will be not doing, because there is not anything related to Firebase. You can just add your own things related to Firebase if you want, but I will be showing you how to download Firebase. So first of all, go to new terminal and write npm install Firebase. First of all, you have to download just tools. So I'll be writing tools, then press enter. And here when you've done that, just it will be just take some of the few seconds to download, like 10 to 15 seconds. Then it will be just download, and you will be just getting your Firebase tool. Then we will be downloading our Firebase just correctly. So I'll be going to my previous terminal and I will be just check that out, our React app is download or not. So it is just still downloading, because it takes some of the few minutes, like I've telling you. So it is depend on your computer. Like it is fast, so it will be just your loading will be also fast. If it is slow, so your downloading will also be just slow. So I will be going to my second terminal, and it will be just take some of the few seconds here. So here it will be also take 20 to 15 seconds. Okay, so here I will be going to my first one, and here you can see it is still downloading, and it is just collecting the data, downloading React DOM and React script and many of the templates which we need to make these things. And here you can see it is also refreshing our package and downloading our package.json file, which is really important to run in localhost here. So here you have to wait till it is just downloading these things. Go to node 1, means your first terminal here, and you can see it is just downloading here. So you have to just go to the top, and here you have to just scroll down and up, because it is really important. So from that you will be just having your downloading fast. So here you have to do that again and again if it is taking time, because mine is taking time, so I'm doing like that. So here it will be just taking some of the few minutes now. Go to second one, and it is also taking some of the few minutes now. And now you can see now it is downloading these all things. Now just we have done with downloading. It is just downloading our dependencies which we need related to our just this React app. So I'll be going to node 2, and it is also just installing here. So go to node 1. So you can see that now it is downloading. So just it will be just removing template of package, because it is downloading our npm package which we will be used to download. And you can see now it has downloaded. So I will be gone to file, open folder, localxd, and I'll be just opening my folder which name was like I'll be showing you. So just go down, and here it is simple chatbot. I will be opening that. Then I will be going to src folder and deleting some 3 files here. So just delete that here, and go to your index.css file, Then zoom in so you can see my code. Then first of all I will be writing the margin, which should be 0 pixel. Hit save here. Then I will be gone to my app.css and deleting all the thing which is written. Save here, go to app.js and delete all the thing which is written in this div tag. Save, and just you have to go to app.css and write some of the codes. So first of all I will be writing the margin 0 pixel. Then I'll be also writing the padding 0 pixel. Then I'll be also writing the box sizing. Then I'll be writing box sizing here, so you have to also write that, which should be border box. Then I will be coming underneath again and creating a tag which is called justify content, which should be in center. Now here when you've written that, just I will be coming and creating align items center. Then I will be just creating another tag which is called text align center. Then I will be also creating display, which should be of block. Then create another tag which is called float, which should be of left. Coming underneath and creating another tag which is called now. Okay, so we have defined that all. Just when you have done that, I will be coming underneath creating font style none. Then I will be coming and creating text justify, which should be inherit now. So here when you've done that, I will be coming underneath creating font size 15 pixel. Then the font weight I will be needing of 600, and the font family I will be needing of Mont Serif. So I'll be writing that comma sans serif. So here when you've written that, I will be coming underneath again and creating another tag which is called like just I will be writing border, which should be 1 pixel solid white, and I will be just writing border color, which should be white. The color which should be of black, so I'll be writing that black. Now here when you've done that, I will be coming creating border width 100 pixel. Then I'll be writing border left, which should be like 100 pixel. Then I'll be also writing like border right, which should be 100 pixel. Then I'll be also writing border bottom, so create that, which will be also 100 pixel. So here I will be coming underneath and creating border, but now I'll be writing border style, which should be none. Border radius, which should be like 10 pixel. Then I will be coming underneath. First of all I'll be just changing its name to border radius, and then after it I'll be writing to 10 pixel. Now I will be just coming underneath and creating another tag which is called now border, which should be none, so create that. Now after that I'll be also creating like outline none, so create that. Now I will be writing list style none, then list style type none, so create that also. Now here when you define that, I will be coming and creating width 100 pixel, height which will also be 100 pixel, and I'll be also writing flex direction, which should be like column, then letter spacing, so create that of 2 pixel. Now here I will be coming underneath and creating flags wrap reverse. Then I will be writing flags, but now I'll be writing flags basis content box. Then create flags, but I'll be writing shrink inherit. Then create flags, but I will be writing flags flow. Then create flags grow now, which should be inherit. Then create just another thing which is called direction inherit. Then I will be coming underneath again and creating another tag which is called background, which should be white. Then I'll be writing background color white, so create that. Now here I will be also writing like background, but now I will be writing like background position in center. Then I'll be writing background position X, so create that, which should also be in center. Then create background position Y, so create that, which should be also in center. Then I will be creating background attachment, which should be fixed, so create that. Now create background size, which should be cover. So here I will be coming underneath and creating background repeat, which should be repeat, and I will be coming underneath and creating background clip. Just I will be coming and creating background clip content box. Then come underneath and create background, but now I will be writing like background origin content box. Then create background blend mode, which should be color burn. So here when you've done that, I will be coming underneath again and creating a tag which is called nav index, which should be like current, so I'll be just writing that. Now here I will be coming underneath creating nav left current. Then I'll be also writing like nav right current, so create that. Then create nav just I'll be writing nav up current and nav down current. So here when you've defined that all things, just if I show you in the Google Chrome, it will be looking really awesome. So just go to Google Chrome and you can see that our React chatbot project is ready. React simple chatbot project is ready. So first of all, we are getting our background color, then the heading, and we are also getting our paragraph. Then after that, we are also getting 2 buttons, and we are also getting 4 buttons underneath, and we are also having one button which is having a beautiful hover effect of white color. Then after that, we are having this chatbot. If I press got it, so you can see it is also giving the answer. Great. And I hope you enjoy it, and smiley face. So like that, you can build your own React simple chatbot project in React JS. So just like that you can build. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous project of React JS. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of React JS also, like your of Python, HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So I will be just meet you in next project.